Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Wrapped in Scraps family channel. My channel, your channel, our channel. And what are we doing today? Well, we're waiting for Honey to bring us some corn asada fries from the stove. And we are working on the lanyard keychains for the brother I told you about. So these are the people that I'm making these pendants for, the 49ers fans. It's a fun project because they just have such a blast. And so you guys see me starting here with my base. This base did not come this way. I had to buy the wood, glue it, drill it, paint it, glitter it, and connect the strings for the chain to hold on to the pendant. And here I'm just weeding all of the letters. Weeding is when you just take all of the inserts out of the letter that you don't want to utilize in your project. This was the most time-consuming part, so I should have used some transfer paper. I do have some, but because of the stickiness of the glitter and how it would flake off, I was afraid that I would lose a lot of detail in the project if I did that, and so I painstakingly did each one. But hopefully next time I can find a product that will help me get the glitter paper off and transfer nicely with transfer tape, because this took me, I'm not kidding, I know this is sped up like 2,000 times. It took me about 2, almost 3 hours for each one, and that's just putting those on there, not including actually assembling the pendant. So this project was definitely a labor of love, and I love my brother immensely. He is one of the most important people in my life. So grateful to have him, and he's always doing things for me, so I didn't mind doing this for him. He's my big bro, so you know, I had to go ahead and suck it up and get her done. But I'm really happy with how they came out. As you can see, it's just a lot of detail, a lot of small detail. But I was watching some Kenneth Copeland, some T.D. Jakes, and all my favorite preachers. Listen to some music, watch some DIY crafting things while I did it, and this is the finished result. As you can see, very glittery, very sparkly. So I finished these pendants the day of Halloween, so it's been a while. I should have posted these a while ago. I also put some footage in of one of the 619er parties back in February. This is before Corona time. My brother has given the pendants out since then, and everyone loves them, so I'm really excited that everyone was satisfied with what I did. And so I thought I'd leave you guys with some quick clips of when we were there partying. My mother, my baby brother, and some close friends. Enjoy. So as you can see, we always have a blast. Here's a picture of me and my mother. Could not find a picture of my brother because he moves around too quickly. But anyway, thank you all for watching. Stay wrapped in scraps. Stay loving you, stay loving God, and stay loving life. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.